Let's see, change the time of day, make it a nice evening setting.
So what engine are you working on right now?
So basically, we just use Enscape, which is like a German company that plugs into Revit, Rhino, and
That's what we
SketchUp.
have right now.
Oh yeah, use Enscape as well.
Yeah.
Nice, yeah.
That's a plugin that we purchased. Yeah, it's pretty inexpensive.
It's so smart. It's so easy, and like we just use it in our workflow for you're just like you can prototype, you can like sketch something, model something, extrude something, and see how it feels right away. Pop material on. Enscape is super intuitive, so I feel like I should be like Enscape should pay me to like be here to promote their software because that's all I'm pretty much doing.
I agree with you. I mean, we didn't even know about it quite a while until somebody turned around to us.
Right.
And it's like, okay, it's built in already in Revit already. All you have to do is pay for the plan. What is it, $200 or something like that?
Yeah. No, it's
one for license.
Somebody told me to be like super space. That's a new one, right?
To come here, we were like, just one of us was in VR space, the other one was like modeling stuff real time. See how it feels instantaneously.
So what is it that you guys do?
Are you guys doing registry?
Yeah, so we're just architects, and we like trying to dabble in VR a little bit. We have architecture companies. He works for an architecture firm, I work for another architecture firm, but we're trying to make like a separate company that's like architecture plus, like installations, art.
We could give you a demo.
Oh, cool. So, yeah, no, are you going to that Kylograph talk today? They're like an architectural rendering services company.
What time does that start?
It's at 1:15, I think, but they did like stadiums and stuff and like VR, AR sort of things. They're a really interesting company, but
I don't know who's doing the stadium right now, but it's a marketing.
Like we went to his cousin's wedding, and she's gonna give them money as well.
Oh, nice.
But like with something, and it was the ground girl that got the face.
Other projects, but this is the
What's it?
rendering. How long did it take to render?
So this
Has to have COD. Yeah.
So the model is just like it's just a live. So Enscape is just like live rendering. If you move too fast, it kind of like gets a little shaky. But it's just. I mean, it didn't take any time to render. You just apply the materials, and Enscape is pretty intuitive. You can like just label a material emissive, and it becomes emissive. It's pretty sweet. But yeah, our concept was just like as a design problem, we just took on how VR architecture is lacking and how to make people more comfortable going into VR instead of like blinding people right away. It's like you have them step into little like pods, it's kind of like isolation pods or something.
Reason is that
I don't want to do it again.
Hello, VR. Please join us upstairs at 12:30.
And the phone is great too, like AR phones, just like yeah, our business card is linked to Augment. Augment is a really good.
that's our next thing. VR is kind of like,
Her hurt was falling down. She only did
Exactly, yeah.
you bring an iPad or an iPhone.
Sorry.
That's it. You don't have anything else.
You feel this guy's
It's
Revit
not
or
that evil.
This is Rhino with Enscape plugged into it, and it's
he's a Rhino. It doesn't really matter what 3D package is, right?
what?
It doesn't matter which 3D package.
Enscape is like meant for architects, like it plugs into SketchUp and Revit as well,
Okay.
and it's super intuitive. And
Contact. You guys have my contact.
oh yeah, cheers, good to meet you, man.
All right.